What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we bought another project and it's a special one. Let me show you what I mean by special. Ta-da! You're not seeing double, it is actually 2014 Mustang GT as well. So this car is a very special car and I'm gonna show you why. But yeah, I ended up getting this car because I have all the good parts on this car cosmetically to fix this side, which I'm going to show you in a little bit. But first of all, this car is special because it is, let me show you from this side, only 150 of these made, and then it is Hertz Penske GT, and this is a model number 91 out of 150. These are special Mustangs, which comes with a special package, and I'm gonna go over what it comes with. And let's start from the back because I want to show you the damaged stuff a little bit later. So in the back it comes with the GT500 exhaust, and this is all factory items on it. It comes with the GT500 spoiler, and also comes with a GT performance suspension. And then as if you go inside right here, it comes with Laguna Seca gauge pods, which are on the dash right there. I'm not sure if you can see that. And also comes with Recaros. Now to the front, obviously it does come with the Brembo brakes. So it's got a Brembo brakes. And now to the damaged side. Which is not bad, and also comes with a Boss 302 splitter. And there is more damages over here. And the quarter panel. So this is light. It's not too much of a damage, but it should be easy fix because I do have a good quarter panel on the other side. This one's good too. Only has a little crease right here, but I don't need this one. So and I also do have a bumper here as well. So that's the main reason why I actually bought this car. First, when I got this car, I didn't even know it was a special edition or anything like that. When I went to go pick it up, I literally opened the door and I went Hertz Penske GT. I had no idea these were ever made, and I was like, I didn't know what that is. So I was like, tacky. And then I go inside here and I was like, oh cool, they're gauges, whatever, no big deal. So I picked it up car and I brought it home, and then once I brought it home, we went through the car and then I actually saw the plaque, and I was like, what the hell is this? I was like, I never knew these things existed. But here is another plaque. It's a limited edition, 91 out of 150. And this is a rental fleet car. So let me show you the plaque under the hood. And here is another plaque. So this should be an easy fix. Really, I think it's only suspension bent. They only touched the bumper support or whatever, the bumper support right here a little bit. I really do have the headlights. I do have the suspension on this side. I am actually using some of the suspension parts on the swap we're doing on a 1954 Mercury. And I do have a racing performance radiator that I actually put on this car because the car original radiator was broken. I wanted to make sure it just holds the water, it's not leaking anywhere. If you want to see my other video, you can definitely see that. But yeah, so going back to this car, it's a very special car because if you go inside, it has Recaro seats. This one is blown and that one is good. In this car, this one is blown, that one is good. This one has 70,000 miles. This do have 102,000 miles. So that seat will go in this car, and the other seat will go into a classic car. But I'm definitely gonna fix the airbags as well and saw this back up. And that's gonna be a good daily driver as well. But yeah, let's go back to this car. I'm getting sidetracked. So this bad boy has 102,000 miles, and it does come with the Laguna Seca gauges. They're pretty cool. Oil pressure, water temperature, and then this one is supposed to give you like Ford performance, 0 to 60, quarter mile and everything like that. But I think this one is a little bit messed up because the LEDs are kind of broken, so you can't like, I can't figure it out. I'm gonna have to send this in for repair or see if I can get another one. I just have to pull out the part number. But yeah, it's cool. It's only got 102,000 miles. It's 91 out of 150. And let's crank it up. Wow, sounds so freaking cool. It's got oil pressure, the temperature. I ran the car a little bit right before I started it. And yeah, sounds freaking amazing. The GT500 exhaust is awesome. First, like when I was tying the car to the trailer, I was like, I saw quad tips and I didn't even know this came from factory. And I was like, man, quad tips, but it's a Ford product. I was like, I'm not sure what this is. So, but now, yeah, we're learning together. It's a really awesome car and we're gonna fix it up. Only one downside of being a Hertz Penske GT, that it used to be a rental. So a lot of people drove this car. They drove it. It was rented out. I think they went up to 30,000 and somebody else owned it. Usually from a factory they come with the yellow stripes, and they do come with a Hertz logo here as well, Hertz logo on the fenders, but this one didn't come. I think somebody removed the stickers and removed that to keep it like on a low, down low. But yeah, I freaking love it. It was like a score that I didn't even plan on scoring. I just saw it. I was like, it's a 2014 Mustang GT with a performance pack, that I already have performance pack items on this car that I can move over. But yeah, so now we have a special car. So we're gonna definitely fix it up and enjoy driving it. Yep. So in that case, I'm gonna be selling my 03 Mustang GT convertible. That one has 65,000 miles. It'll be listed pretty soon. Yeah, so this car is pretty awesome. Got a couple of options from factory, and we're gonna fix it up. So next video is going to be, we're gonna be fixing the suspension, the front end. I gotta get the hood, the bumper. So the front end should be all put together in like one video, because pretty much all in the engine bay is straight. Nothing is moved left, nothing is moved right. This is pretty straight as well. This fender is good. This headlight is good. This one is busted, but we do have a good headlight that we removed from this car, which is like gonna be a inexpensive fix, because I already do have all these parts that are good on this side on this car. So yeah, and if you haven't seen this car, there's a couple of videos on it. I do actually like this spoiler a little bit more than a GT500, but then again I can move them around because now I have double the spoilers. Yeah, pretty dope. Oh yeah, and there is a little bit of a scratch right here, or a little dent. This can be fixed, so most likely we'll fix that. We'll repaint a lot of stuff on this car. We'll keep it perfect. The quad exhaust needs to be repositioned. I think the tip got damaged when the guy with the forklift picked it up, with a huge forklift. And this one is good. This should be easy fix because it's only bent on one side there. We'll just straighten that out, make it oval or round, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. Like, it came to a surprise that it's a special edition. Yeah, pretty dope. Pretty dope. And it's more spacious than our buddy over here. This might get ZL1 engine. We'll see if we have funds for it. And then this one is gonna get better wheels and tires, paint it. It's gonna be an epic car. But this is gonna be a new daily. So now we got double the stangs. Actually got 4. This is the third, the fourth one is elsewhere. And the Beamer as usual. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with the purchase, and I want to thank you all guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video where we get digging into this car and fixing it up. So make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and we're gonna make an epic content on this car, and it's gonna be an epic car to drive. Freaking awesome. Love it. Thank you guys so much.